Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Guys, give me a thumbs up for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit that bell when subscribing for my next video notifications. These are the beautiful sconces we're going to be making from Dollar Tree. Let's get into it. These are the items that you're going to need from the Dollar Tree. We're going to start out with this 2-pack of the plastic wine glasses. Yep, and they come 2 in a pack. This is what they look like. I've already went ahead and cut the bottom stem of that one. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. We are also going to need this large fork and spoon salad set as well. We're going to need some tea light candles, the battery ones. As you know, Dollar Tree carries these mirrors. I decided to use the square one. We're going to need some diamond wrap and command strips and your hot glue sticks and your hot glue gun. We're also going to need this hot knife that I purchased at Michael's craft store. I went ahead and used my 50% coupon. The pack comes with 2 blades, as you can see here. This is what the piece looks like. And it also comes with a little stand as well. This and everything else will be listed in the description box below. So like I said before, I went ahead and cut that off. And we're not going to need that bottom piece. So right now we're going to go ahead and cut right below that little bowl. So now you want to go ahead and align those two. I went ahead and taped it. We want to make sure that they align and that they're both the same height. And we're going to go ahead and cut that too. So now we want to go ahead and connect these 2 pieces together. We are going to use our E6000 and we're going to use our hot glue. As always, I use the Gorilla glue sticks. Those are the ones I like the best. We're going to go and wrap it around with some tape and we're going to leave it to dry overnight. And once they're glued together, this is what it looks like. I am going to go ahead and place some diamond wrap around that just to kind of hide where the 2 parts connect. And these are self adhesive, but I noticed that they don't stay on. So you're going to need to use some hot glue, but I do recommend that you go lightly with the hot glue gun. We don't want to press too hard on the piece so that they can come apart again because the hot glue gun will be too hot. So you're going to lightly put some hot glue on there and then you're going to wrap it all around. And you will see later on in the video that I did go ahead and apply the diamond wrap right above that little ball as well. So initially I was gonna hot glue it like this, the way I'm showing you, but then I went ahead and decided to use the napkin ring holders from Dollar Tree. As you can see here, they come 6 in a pack. I found my the middle part of the mirror there and adhere it with some hot glue and the E6000. And then I went and glued on the stem right there. I found my middle point and I glued it on. You want to use E6000 and the hot glue for everything, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some gemstones on both sides of the napkin ring holder. For each row, I counted about 7 little diamonds. So I went ahead and applied it to each little row there, and I also applied it right on top of the glass stem. About 2 of the little gemstones, I applied those on top for each row as well. Just like that, and on the other side, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here you go, guys. This is what the end result looks like. And here it is. I hung it up on the wall. It looks really, really pretty. I honestly don't think the video does it justice. In person, it looks so much more prettier and shinier, and the gems just give it that extra touch with the candles. I think it turned out so beautiful. I think this will look perfect on either side of a beautiful art piece, or even your TV hanging on the wall, in your bedroom, pretty much anywhere, guys. I really love the way this turns out. I hope that you do too. Remember, guys, that we want to use fake candles for this. We don't want to use real ones. We want to use fake ones. We don't want to burn the house down. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, I love the way it turned out. Never thought you can make this with plastic wine glasses and a salad fork and spoon set, but there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon on my next DIY coming up. And like I said before, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It really helps a girl out. And please subscribe for more. Bye, guys.